कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है दिस वीक वाज प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग. I referred it to Friday, right? Last Friday we spoke about as long as the low of Friday is intact. This was the low of the Friday which was intact, and from there we saw a euphoric kind of a move. A very good about 800 points move in case of Bank Nifty, and when we are talking about Nifty, the similar action was about 177 point. But you know, this call or this particular study analysis was posted amid a bearish bias, right? So while the every trader was bearish on their bias about Nifty and Bank Nifty, uh, we were pretty certain, pretty sure that as long as the Friday lows are being held, the market bias is going to be bullish. Let's quickly go and check about this summary for the previous week. So last week this was the summary that we discussed from 21st June to 27th of June. Now here, interestingly, the range we had described between 15,800 and 15,700 and low of 15,450 was important. So as long as we were above this, the bias was bullish. And similarly, even for Bank Nifty, the low of Friday 33,983 was an important level on closing basis. Now both these indices opened gap down. So if we can quickly go on to see our Monday morning's message. कैसे देखें Monday morning का message? So this is my prime group. I'm just making a wild guess here. Yeah, so this is Monday. So this was Monday morning's message. Friday's low on indices are important. Nifty 15,450 and Bank Nifty 33,908 must be protected. Looking at the dynamic bullish move on Friday, the bias looks changed. Looking at the bearish tone to international market, it may sound ridiculous, but this is how we have to look at it. Now, in between this particular week, we also come up with a video specifying about the bullishness of the trend, bullishness about the market, and even that part is very important. So Nifty 16,000, is it possible, was my message. So again, this is series of messages that I have shared today. Since 2020 March, we have seen Bank Nifty and all the banks were underperforming, and it was only after November 2020 that banks gathered momentum. Similarly, now we can see that the banks are underperforming. Can this change with this new contract? So from today, the new contract for the month of July started, and Nifty did its bit, and now it's very close to 16,000. Now it's time for Bank Nifty to perform. And if the banking stocks are ready and they're going to perform, what will be your pick was my question to our prime group participant. And now this is the message. Now again, this is very interesting video, a stock pick video which I have shared on Tuesday, I believe, right? So Tuesday this video was shared. Specifically, we have picked Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these 5 things we have taken into consideration. Reliance, after the AGM, has sunk down. There is no buy signal right now in Reliance, so don't go for Reliance. But rest of the stocks are performing pretty well. If you have not seen the video, please go and watch this video. It's fantastic. Nifty as well as Bank Nifty sustains last Friday's low. The overall move is healthy bullish. Nifty first bullish target would be 16,001. Bank Nifty first bullish target would be 35,347. Now this target got completed during the day today, and HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank are my three picks for this and coming week. So HDFC Bank didn't perform today. ICICI was good. Kotak Bank yet to perform. So both these banks may perform in this coming week. Do calculate targets and post your study. This was the message. And now what we have done today is fantastic. So we have traders who have 10 years of experience and they have joined growth module, or there is someone who's absolutely fresher and doing it for the first time. So all these examples. Now Shiva Ranjini, so traded Bank Nifty 35,000 call from 390 to 670, almost double the price. And this is how a disciplined trade or a conviction trade with a lot of conviction, a quality of the trade is very important. So I will not consider a trade which is generating a 10 to 12 points of profit and traders are being complacent in that. Look at the move that Nifty and Bank Nifty are generating, and through that moment, if you can capitalize on bigger number of points, that's how a trade has to be, isn't it? Now there is one more trade that I would love to share with you. There are so many trades. People have traded a lot. They have taken a lot many trades. Now this is Pranali Khanolkar, traded Bank Nifty futures from 35,000 to 35,600 and was carrying overnight. Now this was a position we were bullish yesterday and we were bullish day before yesterday as well. Somehow the buying signal never gave us conviction, and this trade has gone fantastic. Now here you can peek through my message as well. Weekly contract, 1st July contract, 34,800, 538 to 808. So these are the messages. But one important message that I want to share with all of you is a fresher, right? A first time option buyer, first time option trader. So Kamlesh, this time around, Kamlesh traded Bank Nifty 35,300 call options from 307 to 344 lots, right? And this is one trade which Kamlesh has taken, Kamlesh has initiated, and immediately I think I have just given him some suggestion. With the first trade you have seen the potential. Now you can ensure to keep or hold at least one lot or 25% position till the target or reversal or trailing stop loss being hit. Now how this has to be done, everything is covered in our module 2 and module 3. So these things are being taken care of. Now here I am booking my 50% positions because Bank Nifty target of 35,347 got completed during the day, and this was the trade 34,800 monthly call options from 1,060 to 1,210. So this was my position which I covered half of the position. I'm carrying some of the positions for Monday as well. And there are so many things to share, but so little time we have. So now I think we'll go on to the analysis part. Let's start with Nifty. Nifty weekly chart we have, and where are my levels? So these are the levels, pretty chaotic chart it looks like. The candle looks bullish, and no one would have thought at the beginning of the week, last week when we talked about market kya lagta hai, no one would have thought that this kind of action can be seen through Nifty 50. Let's quickly go on to hourly chart to celebrate how this session by session action has panned out. And now that we have these targets, so I think it's a high time we remove these levels, some of the levels which are in between. Now when I look at this overall action, okay, and we are looking at a target as well. So what should be the target? What should be the natural target that I'm looking at? One target that we have picked up as per the daily chart is about 16,257. That's going to be one of the target. But before let's say we jump on to this target, it will be prudent, it will be wise to calculate hourly target. So what is going to be an hourly target which is based on hourly chart? So if I plot it here, so the naturally first hourly target will be 16,001, which I have already mentioned in today's message. Nifty hourly time frame bullish target. So we'll clone this. Okay, and I need to quickly add the coordinates here. 16,001. 16,001.85. So this is the target that we are looking at. Now I'm just removing this 805 ka level, or let it be, it's not fiddling with anything. So for now I'll keep it. In the next week I'm going to change it. What is the range? The most important question every time we keep on asking, what is the range? So range right now is 16,000 and 15,800. 16,800. The range in Nifty this week is going to be 16,000 and 15,800. This is going to be the range, and we will be very happy to see if this range is breaking out on the upside. This is about Nifty. And about Bank Nifty, as you can see, this is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. If I can quickly get my drawings here. Now this chart also looks a little chaotic. A rally of 2.3%, 800 points ka rally in this particular candle. Quickly, if we go on to hourly chart to see what is there in store. So I have these levels, intermediate levels, and I want to get rid of them very quickly. Now this is 347 target, which got complete. Now this is 342 some other level. Let that be here. And the target, or the hourly target that we are going to calculate quickly, is from this low to this high, and that target is coming to around, right? So the first target that we are getting is 37,554, and the second target that we are getting is about 36,000. So we already have a target at about 36,000 level. So let me just get a hourly bullish target, first target. So that hourly first bullish target is going to be here, 35,754. 0.85. Sorry, don't want to miss that part as well. And let me quickly change the coordinates as well. Cool. So we have this target, and let me just remove this target now. Okay, and we have 3 targets lined up. This is like as good as completed. So the next target that we are looking at, 35,754, and then the next target will be 36,000. So all these targets are good to go. A pretty simple method to calculate these targets, and we have a stronger support at 35,000, and the next target level should be 36,000. So a pretty wide range that we are expecting in this particular week, but that's how it is. It is Bank Nifty, so it gives a pretty decent move in a single day. Like today's day, it has given more than 400 points in a single day. So that kind of a move we are expecting, and I'm expecting Bank Nifty to take a lead from here. So that's going to be a fantastic week ahead. Let's hope for all good and wish you all a very happy trading. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel, Growth Module. Thank you so much.